Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create HTML codes for WordPress Elementor with Chat GPT. This is a fantastic way to quickly generate custom HTML snippets without needing to write code from scratch, making your Elementor designs more dynamic and personalized. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to chatgpt.com. Once you're on the Chat GPT homepage, you'll see a chat box where you can type your requests. This is where the magic happens. In the chat box, type your request clearly and specifically. For example, you might type something like create HTML code for a simple Elementor section with a heading and button. The more specific you are with your request, the better the code ChatGPT will generate for you. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for the HTML you'll be using in your Elementor design. After you hit enter, ChatGPT will process your request and generate the HTML code for you. Take a moment to review the code it provides to make sure it aligns with what you need. Once you're satisfied, simply copy the HTML code. You can do this by highlighting the code and using your keyboard shortcut, or by clicking any copy button that might appear near the code block. Now that you have your HTML code copied, it's time to move over to WordPress, log into your WordPress dashboard using your credentials. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Page. This will create a new blank page where you can work with your HTML code. On the page editor screen, you'll see a button labeled Edit with Elementor. Click on this button to open up the Elementor Page Builder interface. Elementor is a powerful drag and drop builder that makes designing pages intuitive and flexible. Once the Elementor editor loads, you'll be ready to insert your custom HTML. In the Elementor editor, look through the widgets panel on the left side of your screen. Scroll down or use the search function to find the HTML widget. Click on the HTML widget to add it to your page. You can drag and drop it into the section where you want your custom code to appear. After adding the HTML widget, a text area will appear where you can input your code. Paste the HTML code you copied from ChatGPT directly into this text area. As soon as you paste it, Elementor will render the code in real time, allowing you to see exactly how it will look on your live page. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button at the upper right corner of the page to make your page live. If you're not quite ready to publish yet, you can click Save Draft beside the Publish button to save your progress and come back to it later. And there you have it. You've successfully used ChatGPT to generate HTML code and integrate it into your WordPress Elementor page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.